I believe a great teacher encourages imagination and inspires students to achieve beyond what they believed possible, helping students to engage and support their learning. I therefore adopt a holistic science education approach in which project-based learning is a significant component to engage students in their learning. Students are involved in real-world tasks and actual contests. They are required to design products or services for their target communities. For example, students run recycling programs to engage the public and raise their awareness. These real-world tasks lead to sustainable impact for improving our environment. I feel very grateful that I have the support from my department, my faculty and my university. I also have learned a lot from working with CETL. The award recognizes my teaching contributions and has built a platform for me to experiment with new teaching approach and collaborate with community partners for the betterment of student learning.